Hey Glam Beauties, welcome back to my channel, Madam CJ Ma'am Glam. I'm here to bring you a Boxycharm eclectic makeup haul. Okay, you know I'm on a makeup no buy. I didn't buy this. These products was from Valentine's Day, and a few vendors gave me a couple of items. So we're gonna start off with our Boxycharm. Okay, let's see. I got this Boxycharm last week and I just glanced at it. I really didn't read it. See, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for this. In which I know everyone probably done already seen this here because it's almost the end of the month. But it's called Vacation. And that's funny because I just come off of vacation. I went on a Hawaii trip. And in Vacation's Boxycharm, we're gonna start off with the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. And like I said, I just glanced at it. I didn't even really look to see what was in here. And this is it right here. Hope that glare. I didn't know it was secure like this. Sorry about that. I didn't know it was secured like this. Let's see how this looks. Oh, it's gorgeous. These are the colors. It's beautiful. I love this. It's a lot of shimmers. It's gorgeous. It's good and matte. Looks like there's only about 4 mattes in here. And this is how they look. It's very pretty. And then we have Butter London Double Decker Lash Mascara. I'm not gonna open this here. I have so many mascaras till it's not real. Okay, and then we have the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. This is it. South Main, oh, it's 3 eye gel packs. This is how it looks. I definitely need to start using some of my eye product because I'm not getting enough sleep. There's 3 of them in here. So these are gonna come in handy once I start taking care of my under eye at night. I'm so tired. And then we have the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set.
Yes!
I didn't even realize we had brushes in here. Oh, that's cute. Which is this. Oh gosh. Another one that's sealed tight. But I'd much rather have it sealed than, you know, not. More brushes that I love. That's cute. This is how they are. And let's see. We have Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. And this is $26. The Smoky Eye makeup brushes was $23.15. The eyeshadow palette was $36. Wow. The Double Decker Lash Mascara was $20. The Under Eye Gel Packs was $10. So, okay, this is the Make Them Blush. This is it right here. my big light in here, so it's glare. Oh, that is gorgeous. More blush for my collection. And that concludes my Boxycharm for this month. I was gonna save this for next month because it's so. I came back from vacation and they were there, my Boxycharm, and I know everybody has seen everything, so I was gonna wait, but I'm like, let me go and get this out of the way. And like I said, I'm not on buying makeup, but I've got a lot of gratis from my job, which I post those on my other social media platforms. But I did get this, and this little stuff, I'll let you know. My husband purchased this here for me, which I'm loving this. The glitter stays in place. You don't have that fallout. You don't have to use the glue. It's just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And this is MFMG. That's makeup for Melanie girls. Love this. Love it, love it, love it. And then for what it was National Mascara Day, I had purchased these two, which my husband purchased them for me. It was Too Faced, and then these are the gratis that the vendors that came to my job. I got 6 of them. 6. And these were some gratis from my job. It's a cute little book. And this is was gratis from a vendor from Laura Geller. This little cute little pouch. And this here mascara, which I say I have gobs of mascara. I think I'm gonna be doing another giveaway in June, and I'm definitely giving away some mascara. That's for sure. And my husband purchased these here for Valentine's Day. It was part of my Valentine's Day gift, and these are the Urban Decay lipsticks. So I'm gonna test a couple of these here. These were on sale, so I tried to get every last one of them. You know how I do it. If it's on sale, I'm gonna try to get it all. Which is, I just have one face, but it's my face. Okay, this is Trap Queen. And these are really, really nice. Some of them are matte. That's Trap Queen. I'm gonna do 5 at a time, then I'm gonna show you the swatches. Trap Queen, and this one is Mad. Try to hurry up, because I don't want this video to be too long. I love these with the little glitter flecks in it. And this one is Shadow Heart. I got to get that 1993. Excuse me. That is just so gorgeous. But it wasn't on sale. And I'm all about the sale life. I'm all about that life. And let's see, let me make sure I'm still recording. Yes. And this one is Trivial. That's 4. Oh, I really love this Trivial. It's a matte with no shimmer in it. And this one is Crimson. Y'all have so many little products, Lord. And this is how this looks. I don't think I showed y'all the other ones. And this is how they look. Hopefully I can see it. I can't see it unless I bring it down. There we go. Now I can see it in my camera. shimmers everywhere. Okay, this one is Psycho. This one should be right up my alley. So where I used to be, Psycho. I own that. Oh, that's pretty. Oops. I don't like this. You know, at one time I used to, when I first got into makeup, and I used to see women putting their makeup on, and they, you know, stuff everywhere, and I just say, oh, I just can't do that. Yeah, when you're putting on makeup and it's a routine and you have a lot of stuff to do, yeah, it gets messy. This 714, that's the name of it, 714. So yeah, once I finish with my makeup routine, you're gonna see how my beauty desk looks. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to I'm too embarrassed to even take a picture, because it's just horrible. That is 2, and this one is ZZ. That's how that look. ZZ. Ooh. Yeah, I like this. It has kind of like a sheer look, which I really don't too much care for that sheer look. And this one is WSM. That sheer I have to pair that with lip pencil. Oh, I love that. Okay, and one more, and that is going to be Delusional. Look like I have about 8 more, 2, 4, 6, 7 more. Oh, I love that color. Oh, that's beautiful with that shimmer in it. Oh yeah, this kind of look like one of the Urban Decay toppers that I purchased. I can't see it. Oh, okay. There we go. Forgot that I had my arm up like this. This is the last one. This is the first one. My husband comes sneaking in here. Take this off real quick. Oh wow, it's pretty good. It's not coming off. That's what I like. Okay, this one is Flashback. Oh, I love that shimmer in it. My granddaughter's gonna have a field day. I probably need to get her a couple of these here. She's coming down in June, and we're gonna have a blast. My little mini-me. She's 9 years old. She's gonna be looking for that video. She wants to do my makeup, so this is Menace. So I'm gonna do granddaughter does granny's makeup. That should be fun. And this one is Menace. I'm loving this, and I don't too much care for pinks like this here, but this, oh yeah, I like this pink here. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. S2, this is TRYST, Trist. Trist as you may. And it's this color here. See, I can work with colors like that. It's that bubblegum pink. I can't do that. That Nicki Minaj pink. Can't do stuff like this. This is Purgatory. Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. See the shimmer in it? Oh, yeah, that's nice. Kind of look like that other color. One of those other colors that I tried out. Interesting. That's 4. I think I'm gonna go on and put all 7 on this here. This is studded. Oh, this is looking nice. Oh yeah, see, I like this here. This kind of remind me of one of Gerard Cosmetics. It's kind of looking like a army green, but it has a brown undertone. This has a brown undertone. Or gray. Well, interesting. It has an olive green undertone. Very interesting. But on the box, it looks totally different. And this is Time. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that color. It's pretty. It's real pretty. Oh yeah. I don't have to create my well, I'ma still do my lip creation. I like mixing and matching eyeshadows to give me that perfect lipstick. So whenever you see something real bold on my lips, that's eyeshadow that I made into lipstick. Oh, this one is beautiful. Conspiracy. It's kind of look like another, or maybe I think I have a top like this here. I don't think you can really see how beautiful this is. But I know I have some type of top like this. Oh, that's pretty. Flecks of gold. Yeah, I would have to do this. No, I would have to pair this with a lip pencil because it's sheer and you have to apply. Okay, did I do this one? Studded. 2, 4. Yeah, that's it. Okay. This studded. Hold on, here we go. Studded was the last one, and this is the first one. Those are the colors. Well, Glam Beauty, that concludes my haul for this month. Please join me on my other social medias. I will link it up there at the top. Until next time, smooches. Bye-bye.